Hey, what's up? It's Matthew Neer, and welcome to Operation 10K Las Vegas. If you made it here today to this page, I am extremely excited for you because what you're about to see is the method and the technique behind how myself and my partner Desmond have been earning over $10,000 per month by uploading a few simple files to the web and generating free traffic and earning affiliate commissions, all by doing the work once and profiting from it over and over again. What I want to do right now is log into one of my affiliate accounts and show you the live proof of what I was able to do once Desmond showed me these campaigns. So let's jump over here to the iPad, and I'm going to log in live and show you what I've been able to do with this. Okay, so here we are on the Warrior Plus account. Let me sign in and show you live exactly what these campaigns have been able to do for me. And we log into my account now and click on the Affiliates tab, and you can see my earnings live. So as you can see here, today I made $653.30, and yesterday I made $598.44. And again, the way I did that was all from implementing a simple campaign that now earns me passive income after I uploaded it once, and generates me automatic leads, building an email list, and allowing me to promote over and over again and earn affiliate commissions simply by just doing the work one time. Now, Desmond recently told me that he's on the way here to Affiliate Summit to reveal these campaigns to me, and hopefully I can get him to show you guys as well. He doesn't know I'm bringing my camera crew, so I hope I don't freak him out, and can get him to reveal these campaigns to you live on camera. He should be arriving almost any minute now, and he said he needs a ride to the hotel. So let's go pick him up and see if we can get him to show us these campaigns. All right, let's go. Made it, man. What's going on?
How are you?
Long flight?
Long flight.
Yeah.
Anyway, what's the car, man? What car is it?
Yeah, it's the Ferrari Spider.
Spider.
Man, so I brought my camera crew. You were telling me about these campaigns you're running, right? That are making you a ton of money. So what I wanted to do is, if it's cool with you, we could show some of the viewers at home how to do that kind of stuff too.
Oh, well, I don't know, man, because some of these campaigns are like really secret campaigns of mine.
Yeah.
A lot of money. What should we share them out?
Okay, for the people, man, for my subscribers, what do you think? Can you show us?
Well, I want a special condition.
Okay, what is it?
Right? What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Is that okay?
Okay, got yourself a deal. Let's do it.
So now, in order for me to launch this campaign to teach you how to do it, we have to get Wi-Fi. We need Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Let's go somewhere with Wi-Fi and let's launch this campaign right away.
Let's head back to the hotel. Come on. All right, Desmond, so let's get down to it, man. You've been killing it with these campaigns, bro, and would you be down to show us something? Well, first of all, show us how to do one, but before we do that, would you show us like maybe a really good result of something you've been able to achieve with this method?
Yeah, sure, man. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to turn on my screen cam so everyone at home can see this too. Okay, now I'm going to show you one of the proof inside one of my JVZoo account. Now I haven't really checked it yet, so hopefully we do see some money coming in. Let me just log in right now and take a look at the result. Okay, my name right there. Wow, as you can see, the brand new campaign has actually just made us about $1,000 in gross revenue, about $500 to $600 in total earnings so far. Now that is just one of my networks. Now I usually operate these campaigns in about 1 to 2 networks, so I'm also ready to show you the account inside my ClickBank account, where this is where the large sum of money is actually coming in from. So let me just log in right now. Okay, so here we are. As you can see, this week, which just started today, we made about $983.21, and we started a campaign on March 7 actually. So if you can look at this, the first day we actually made $482, and the second day $978.32. So that's pretty good. I mean, these are just 3 days in, brand new campaign. As you can see, amazing results.
Wow, that's really amazing, man. So how long would you say it takes to implement a new campaign like this to make that kind of money? How much time are you spending per day?
Well, you're probably going to be spending like 1 hour or so.
Really?
Running your entire business. All you need to do is just really send emails. And you probably spend most of the time just refreshing your account, just looking at the new commissions that come in every single time you refresh your account.
Wow, that's really cool. Okay, so this is a brand new campaign, right? What does it take to run a campaign like this if I was just getting started?
Well, this is the most beautiful thing about this kind of campaigns. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need any internet marketing experience. You just need to follow a very simple 4-step formula, and you execute the 4 steps, you're going to see results like this. Really that simple, man.
Wow, okay, that's amazing. So now, if I'm hearing you correctly, man, you're saying that we could do this with, even if someone's brand new, so that they don't need to have any experience, no tech skills, and they'll be able to do this their first time.
Yeah, really all you need is a computer and an internet. Computer and internet, that's it.
Wow.
2 things in order for you to see results like what we've just shown you.
That's amazing. So would you be able to show us how to set up a campaign real quick right here on the spot?
Yeah, sure, that's why we're here. Well, but we gotta hurry up because we got a big networking party coming up soon in about, less than an hour?
That's right.
So let's get it started right now.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's go.
Hey, so that's it. So all I gotta do is hit this button and I'll activate my campaign and I'll make money today?
Yes, that's pretty much it. All you need to do is hit that button today and you start seeing commissions roll in.
Alright, well let's do it, man. Here we go. Boom. Awesome. Campaign sent.
Can't wait to see results.
Yeah, so let's go hit the party and then we're checking the results later on tonight and see how we did.
Alright, cool, let's go.
Cool, let's go.
Beat sound like it just don't care.
Alright guys, that was a crazy night last night here in Vegas, but as you can see, Desmond and I implemented our campaigns in the afternoon and they're making us money all throughout the night and into the morning. Now, this is our signature coaching program, okay? Desmond and I have decided to take you inside of our affiliate accounts and show you exactly how we're doing these campaigns, how we're implementing them online and making money simply by uploading a few files to a few top secret websites that we will be showing you on the inside. And by doing this, it allows us to attract free, unlimited amounts of traffic to our offers, build giant email subscriber lists, and make affiliate commissions simply by doing the work once and then earning passive income over and over again. Now, this is our exclusive program. We don't have a lot of time to work with just everybody, okay? We can only work with the most serious people because, look, fact is there's only 24 hours in the day and we sleep for about 8 of that, so we really only have about 16 hours a day to work with our most serious clients, and because of that, you have to be ready to take massive, all-out, furious action. If you're willing to do that and commit to us, we will help you. We will show you how to use these campaigns make money online, and exactly how we're doing it and how you can too. Now, if you look below this video, the price for this is is pretty much laughable, right? It's practically nothing for the amount of value that you're going to get. I urge you right now, look over this entire page, scroll down below this video, look over everything you're getting here on this offer today, and take action right now. Buy this, and we will see you on the inside.